Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alia Munira binti Abdul Rahim and my matric number is B03032310357. Today I will be explaining about the addressing scheme. As you can see, this network table shows the segmentation for our three branches, which is the HQ, Skudai and Kulim. Starting with HQ, the technical department use the subnet of 192.168.9.69/29, giving it IPs from .97 to .102 with the gateway .65. And then the management department use 192.168.9.64/28. So it will cover the IPs to from .95 to .68, also using .65 as the gateway. And the server farm is assigned 192.168.9.104/29 with the IPs of from .105 to .110. And lastly, we do have sales and marketing. It used the 192.168.9.80/28 range with usable IPs from .81 to .64. So all the HQ departments share the subnet mask 255.255.255.192 and the same default gateway. We move to the next part, which is Skudai. Both the ground and first floor use the 10.0.0.0/27 network, where the ground floor has IPs .1 to .14 and the first floor use .15 to .13, and both use 10.0.0.1 as the gateway with a /27 mask. And lastly, in Kulim, House A used 10.0.0.32/28 with IPs .33 to 37. House B used 10.0.0.38/28 with IPs from .38 to 46, and both houses use 10.0.0.33 as the gateway with a /28 mask. All this setup ensures structure and efficient IP allocation across all departments and branches. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Izzati binti Abdul Razak, matric number B032310068, and I will be explaining about the topology diagram for our project. First of all, the diagram is divided into three parts, which are the HQ in Shah Alam and two branches in Kulim and Skudai. There are 4 floors in the HQ. The first floor has 4 wired PCs that are connected to the switch. Meanwhile, the second floor has 6 wired PCs and 4 PCs and 2 notebooks connected wirelessly to the home router. The third floor, which is the server farm, has 4 wired servers, and lastly, the fourth floor has 5 PCs and 5 notebooks that are connected wirelessly to the home router. Next is the branch in Kulim. There are 2 places in Kulim, which is House A and House B. House A has 4 PCs that uses wired connection to the switch, and House B has 9 wireless notebook connected to the home router. Lastly is the branch in Skudai. The service department in the ground floor has 9 wired PCs, and the staff hostel in the first floor has 10 wirelessly connected notebooks. Here we can see how this topology diagram shows an illustration of how the HQ and branches are connected in a network.
So next, I will be presenting the step to configure Wi-Fi. My name is Norina Badrisha binti Muhammad Mazuki and my matric number is B032310619. First, we open the router and make sure the port status checkbox is turned on. Then we set the IP address and subnet mask according to the addressing table provided. Next, under the home router, go to the GUI tab. Under the setup tab, set the internet connection type to wireless AP. Now click on the wireless tab and go to basic wireless setting. Set the wireless mode to auto. Choose a network name according to your preference. Set the channel bandwidth to auto. After setting this, scroll down and click save setting. Still under the wireless tab, click on wireless security. Change the security mode to WPA2 personal. Set the encryption to AES. Enter a passphrase according to your preference. Once again, scroll down and save setting. Next, click on any notebook device. Ensure that the adapter type is set to WPC300N. Go to the desktop tab, select IP configuration and choose wireless 0 configuration. For IP configuration mode, select static and configure the IP address, subnet mask and default gateway based on the addressing table. To establish the wireless connection, go to the desktop tab again and open PC wireless. Click on the connect tab, find the SSDI or Wi-Fi name that you create earlier and click connect. Enter the password when prompt. Once connected, go to the link information tab to view the connection status, signal strength and link quality.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurkila Alia and I will be conducting the connectivity test on HQ. And first, to check the connectivity on HQ, we'll go through first floor and the second floor. We'll use 3 devices, which is PC20, PC28 and PC29. And as you can see, port 101 is for PC20, port 77 is for PC28 and port 78 is for PC29. So first, we'll test on PC20. If we try to ping PC29, PC29 is 78. And from here, we'll see that the connection is successful. Then we'll try on PC28 and try to ping on PC20. PC20 is 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 1, 1. From here, we can see that the connection is successful. So the purpose of the connection between first floor and second floor is to test and verify the connectivity between different PCs across different floors. And then next, we'll move on the third floor and the fourth floor. Here, we'll test and verify the connection between a server and also a device. So we'll use server 3 and also laptop 31 to test on the connectivity. So laptop 31 uses port 81 and server 3 uses port 105. So we'll check on the connectivity. We'll ping laptop 31. And in this one also, it shows that the connection is successful and it is evident that this test is conducted to test on the connectivity between server and also devices across different floors. And next, I'll pass on the next person. My name is Izan Azira and my matrix number is B0323104225. So today I will explain about the connection at the branch 1, which is a cooling. First, we at the housing, we pick one of the PC and then we go to the desktop IP configuration and look at the IP address. And then we go to the command prompt. So there is connection in here. So there is connection at the router. And then we go to the web browser. So there is connection at the branch 1 pooling. Next, at the house B, at the wireless, this is a wireless router, pick one of the notebook here, and then go to IP configuration, look at the IP address, and then go to the command prompt. So there is connection, and then the router also have a connection. So, and then we go to the web browser. So there is connection at the house B cooling.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shazna Aida Karim binti Syarul Lapid. My matrix number is B0323100594. And I will continue with the connectivity test for Skudai first floor and Skudai ground floor. So I will choose the notebook 17 for Skudai first floor, and then I will ping this ping to the IP address of 10.0.0.10. So as you can see here, we get a reply from the ground floor. That's all from me. Thank you.